Yeah, I think this is going to be really good to divide off the two rooms, particularly with new baby
For sure.
and Goldie. From what I understand, most builds don't come with internal wall insulation. So I think like if you were to do a new build or a reno, insulating these middle rooms is so important.
Yeah, I think having this in here is so beneficial because, like you said, we're going to have a new baby, the baby might start crying, and if you can block off some of that sound going through the wall, yeah, not waking up our other child would be so beneficial. So, G'day guys, we're Al and Imo. We're a husband and wife duo with two beautiful daughters building our dream lifestyle one project at a time.
Welcome to the Good Day House series, where we'll be sharing fortnightly videos featuring how we built our house from the ground up. Although unfinished, the Good Day House is a modern, all-electric 7.5-star energy-efficient home situated in the beautiful coastal town of Torquay, about 5 minutes from iconic Bells Beach.
In the last episode, we shared with you the insulation we've chosen for our house, tips for installation, and answered some frequently asked questions. In this episode, we're going to give you a tour of our house and chat about the benefits of insulating internal walls with acoustic bats.
The reason we wanted to make a video specifically about this is because it's an area that often gets overlooked. We've invested so much time and money into sustainability features in our home: the floor plan, going all electric, zoning of rooms for heating and cooling, solar panels, and double glazed thermally broken windows. Adding internal wall insulation will help all of these features work to their full potential, meaning that we get more bang for our buck. The good news is adding internal insulation is inexpensive and easy to DIY. We chose to use Knauf Earthwool Sound Shield bats. Acoustic insulation bats are denser than thermal insulation bats, which means they are really effective at reducing sound travel between spaces. We decided to DIY our internal walls and we completed it together within a day.
We started at the front of the house, which has a hallway and two bedrooms. One which will be Goldie's bedroom and the other for baby number 2. Once the front of the house was insulated, it was time for us to move through to the back of the house, which is where our master bedroom, ensuite and European laundry are. So now that we've shown you around the house, we wanted to share a few tips for acoustically insulating your internal walls.
Number 1, check if internal insulation is included. If you're planning a new build or renovation, it's worth checking with your builder to see if they've allowed for internal wall insulation. Chances are that they haven't. With the exception of bathroom walls and other wet areas, energy reports in Australia do not require internal wall insulation, which means that almost all new builds will only have roof and external wall insulation.
Number 2, check the cavity depth and stud width. Before ordering your acoustic insulation, check the wall cavity depth and stud width you will be working with. Acoustic bats are available in anything from 70mm up to 140mm, and stud widths are usually 430 or 580. If you're unsure, you can email your house plans and energy report to Pricewise Insulation like we did, and an insulation expert will be able to advise what's best for your home.
Number 3, choose a high quality insulation. Unlike some other insulations, Knauf Earthwool has non-hygroscopic properties, which means it won't rot or encourage the growth of mold or bacteria. Selecting a product that's high quality will ensure that you don't run into unwanted or expensive problems down the track.
The last step would be to decide whether you will pay for installation or DIY it. Internal insulation is super easy to install yourself if you're doing a renovation. If you don't have access to your site, professional installers are cost effective and will do it at the same time as your roof and external walls. If you would like some more tips on installation, there's plenty of video content available on the Pricewise website.
To learn more about the products we've used, you can follow the links below, which will take you through to a blog post with all of the details. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe for more home build, design, and DIY content.